Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and in today's video we are going to do Leco 4 or Grand Magazine. So let's get started. Sau maté Madame Lecom via telefonia Madame Deschmok. La famille Deschmok va au Grand Magazine avec Madame Lecom et son fils. Madame Lecom emmené Madame Deschmok qui ruja dans la section prêt-à-porter. Marc et Karan vont dans la section sports et loisirs. Karan. Stupid. Le pata orule. Combien coûte il? Marc. Regarde Karan le prix, c'est 100 euros. À Paris, on fait beaucoup de pâtes enroulées dans le roux. C'est très commode et rapide. Rucha et le dauphin passent devant la section chaussures. Rucha. Je veux ces baskets bleues. Ils vont très bien avec mon jaune neuf. Madame Deshmukh? Non. Je veux d'acheter des baskets la semaine dernière. Dépêche-toi, ne t'arrête pas devant chaque rayon. Au bout de 15 minutes, dans la section prêt-à-porter, Madame Deshmukh, tiens, tu aimes chemisier en soie? Il va bien avec ton jaune neuf. Rucha, mais maman, je voudrais acheter un parfum. Madame Lecomte, d'accord, mais essaye d'abord ce chemisier dans le salon d'essayage là-bas. Après, on va au rayon de parfum. Dans la section d'eau et douche, nous avons acheté du savon à la lavande, du dentifrice, quelques brosses à dents, Rucha avait aussi un panier de shampooing et du vernis et ongles. Karan, Mama jo femme, et Marc aussi. Madame Deshmukh, déjà, mais on vient de manger au restaurant. So now let us see the translation of this whole lesson. This morning, Mrs. Lecombe has just called Mrs. Deshmukh. The Deshmukh family is going to the supermarket with Mrs. Lecombe and her son Mark. Mrs. Lecombe takes along Mrs. Deshmukh and Rocha to the ready-made section. Mark and Karan go to the sports and hobbies section. Karan. Superb. The roller skates. How much does it cost? Mark. Look, Karan, the price is 100 euros. In Paris, one does a lot of roller skating. Now, there are also policemen on skates on the street. It is very convenient and fast. Rucha and the two women pass in front of the shoes section. Rucha. I want these blue sports shoes. They go very well with my new jeans. Madame Deshmukh? No, I just bought sports shoes last week. Hurry up, don't stop in front of each department. After 15 minutes in the ready-made section, Madame Deshmukh. Look, do you like this silk blouse? It goes very well with your new jeans. Rucha. But mummy, I would like to buy a perfume. Madame Lecomte. Okay, but first we try this blouse in the trial room over there. Then we go to the perfume section. In the section Bath and Shower, our friends buy lavender soap, toothpaste, some toothbrushes. Rucha also wants a comb, a shampoo, and a nail polish. Karan. Mummy, I'm hungry, and Mark also. Madame Deshmukh. Already, but we just ate at the restaurant. So here we finish with the translation part. Now we will go to phrases. Super means super. Le prix est, the price is. C'est très commode et rapide. It is very useful or convenient and fast. Tia. Tia means hold or to look. Dépêche-toi, hurry up. Now we move to 4.2 or supermarché on its own. Où se trouve le rayon de? Where is the department located? Je veux acheter ce manteau. I want to buy this overcoat. Montrez-moi ces joues. Show me this skirt. Ça coûte combien? How much does this cost? Pay à la caisse, s'il vous plaît. Please pay at the cash counter. So these things we often hear when we are in a supermarket. Then we move to 4.3, le rayon de un supermarket. La épicerie, that is grocery. La boulangerie, that is bakery. La laiterie, that is dairy. La parfumerie, that is perfumery. La papeterie, that is stationery. La sport et loisirs, that is sports and hobbies. 4.4 vocabulary. En quoi est ça? Of what is it made up of? The t-shirt, it is made up of cotton. The sari, it is made up of silk. The manto, the overcoat, it is made up of wool. The bar, the ring, it is made up of gold. The fuel, the paper, it is made up of paper. La chaise, the chair, it is made up of wood. La poêle, the frying pan, it is made up of steel. And la kadi, that is a trolley, it is masculine. Now we move to 4.5, that is grammar. And a grammar topic for this lesson is the passé récent. The passé récent indicates an action which has just been completed in the recent past. Let us see the formation. Subject plus present tense of the verb venir plus de or d apostrophe plus infinitive of the principal verb. Let us conjugate the verb trouver to find. Je viens de trouver la réponse. Tu viens de trouver la réponse. Il vient de trouver la réponse. Elle vient de trouver la réponse. Nous venons de trouver la réponse. Vous venez de trouver la réponse. Il vient de trouver la réponse. Elle vient de trouver la réponse. Let us see the imperative of reflexive verbs. This is another topic now. Imperative of reflexive verbs, affirmative. The remaining verbs and the reflexive pronouns will be placed after the reflexive verbs in the imperative form. Ta will change to toi. Lave-toi, wash yourselves. Lavons-nous, let's wash ourselves. Lavez-vous, wash yourselves. Imperative of reflexive verbs in negative form. In the negative form, the reflexive pronouns will come before the reflexive verbs. Ta will remain the same. So, ne te lave pas, don't wash yourselves. Ne nous lavons pas, let's not wash ourselves. Ne vous lavez pas, don't wash yourselves. Then similarly, let's conjugate the verb se reposer to rest. In the imperative affirmative, repose-toi, reposons-nous, and reposez-vous. In the imperative negative, ne te repose pas, ne nous reposons pas, ne vous reposez pas. So the most important thing in this is don't forget your formation of the sentence and please don't forget your exclamation mark in the ending. That is very important. So now here we move to imperative form of reflexive verbs. So the rule of dropping the subject pronoun is the same here also. In the affirmative form, for the reflexive pronouns, we use the pronoun tonic with hyphen after the verb. Remember in the imperative affirmative, The of the second person singular becomes tua. But also remember that in imperative negative, the will not change. It will not change to tua, it will remain the same. And also don't forget your exclamation marks at the ending. So these were all the important points to note. And now we have finished the grammar part of this lesson. Now we move on to exercises. And as usual, I have given you all the answers with the questions. You can go through it. You can check your answers, whether they are right or wrong. So please, students, can you all just comment me in the chat box and you all tell me that when are your exams beginning or have they started? When is your French paper? So that I wanted to give you all some worksheets to practice, and I also wanted to give you all some tips how to practice French daily. How can you, you know, practice each and every topic of French, each and every grammar topic. As you know, French is very vast, and you'll have to learn so many things. And you know that only one or two questions out of each of the topics are just given. So you have to practice each and every topic. You don't have to miss a single topic. All this we have done since our ninth standard first chapter. And also your last year. Then this question number 12, I wanted to tell you all that you'll have to write the directions to go to your class canteen, that is your school canteen. So I've just given you all a little bit, but I want you all to continue this and finish it. And please tell me the chat box. Please tell me the rest part of it in the chat box. I would love to hear different answers from you all that you all are trying. So again, here I have bold and they are also in red, so you can find the answers easily. All right. So we have finished the. So now we move to 4.7, that is civilization, and the last part of this chapter. Carrefour and Super U. These two are big supermarkets in France. Civilisation hommage. En France, comme en il y a les magasins du quartier comme épicerie, la boulangerie, la pâtisserie, etc. Mais on préfère le supermarché, le grand surface, les hypermarchés. Ils vendent de tout sous à toi. Let us see the translation. The market. In France, like in India, there are there are shops in the locality like grocery, bakery, pastry shops, etc. But one prefers supermarket, hypermarket. They sell everything under one roof. C'est des pratiques. Certain groupes célèbres sont Allegro, Groupe Auchan SA, Carrefour, SA Géant, Super U, Intermarché, etc. Translation. It is very practical. Certain famous groups are Electra, Auchan SA Group, Carrefour, SA Géant, Super U, Intermarché, etc. So over here, we finish our civilization part. And when we complete civilization, we obviously complete the whole lesson. So we have completed the chapter 4 and here I am taking a leave. So, but before that, guys, please do send me in the chat box in the comments below about my exams and tell me the dates also so that I'll give you all some tips and also you all can ask me any doubts you want. All right. Stay tuned and please subscribe, like, and share my videos. And please do comment. Thank you guys. Bye.